Hi! In front of me is Thomson Tablet 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Location section after scrolling down. Now, thanks to this switcher next to Use Location, you can turn it off or on. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If you can't find it over here, tap on this pen at the bottom left corner of Tab menu. Scroll down. Look for your shortcut and drag it to the top. Then place it wherever you wish to. Let go. Go back. And click on it then. As you can see, my shortcut is gray. That means that location is off. But you can always switch it on by tapping on the same tile one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!